Hello, let me introduce ourselves. Our name is Kuckjae Metal Company and we are Korea company. We first started working as a plumbing facility in 1979. We provide food manufacture in Korea with piping material and piping works for the production process. Since the 1990s, we have implemented automation of the production process by applying electric device called PLC and microprocessor to piping facility. Since 2002, we have expanded our service area to industrial robot, cooperative robot, and automated machinery. Production of our product. To open box containing materials, people use a knife or a sharp tool to open the box. Our cooperative robot cut the tape on the box and move the product to the desired location. First, the cooperative robot tilts the box cover and the other mechanical device use a clamp to keep the box cover open. The cooperative robot measures the position of the product in the box, use a 3D vision camera and transmit the 3D coordinate to the cooperative robot. The cooperative robot moves to the received coordinate and take out the cylinder case containing the product. The cooperative robot moves to the vacuum cover remover to remove the cover of the cylinder case and remove the cover. The cooperative robot moves the cylinder case to the filler chute and put the product into the chute. After putting all product in the cylinder case into the chute, when the box is full of cylinder case, send it to the company that supplied the product.